Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys Motorola phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show guys Motorola phone guys system navigation setting friends how to use. Friends you want to use gesture setting and friends you want to use your button navigation setting guys. Both of setting guys I am going to show you in this video how to set and use. So step by step guys we will talk about. So first of all guys open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends scroll it. Friends click on navigation bar setting. And friends you can see gesture setting, video queue, hide navigation bar. Friends first click on gesture settings. Friends after set on gesture setting friends now you cannot use your 3 button navigation on your Motorola phone. So how to use this gesture setting, let's see. Friends right side you can back and guys left side you can back. Friends you want to close app guys you can close your app like that. So you are in setting. So we will on this hotspot setting. And friends you are here, friends you want to back, so how to back? Right side guys you can back and guys left side guys you can back. So we left and right side guys we can back, close app we can close app. And friends you have this navigation setting, and friends you want to set your button navigation. So how to set? Click on phone setting, navigation bar setting. Friends you can see this key setting is button layout guys, click here. And guys now guys we have this button layout, we can back with button, we can close app with button guys. And friends you want to change your button layout style, get this back button is here guys, you want to change, so you can change. Click on phone setting again guys, navigation bar. Friends you can see select the style of your navigation bar. Friends you can change from here. Friends you can see now we can back left side, and right side guys you can close app. So like that guys you can use your navigation setting. Friends you want to use get your gesture setting, and you want to use your button navigation setting. So friends you can use your button navigation setting. So every setting is you like guys, you like gestures you can set gestures, and friends you like your button navigation you can set your button navigation. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. Now friends do you have any doubt friends you can ask me in comment section, I will check, I will help you. Bye bye guys.